हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बेसिक इलेक्ट्रिकल। आज के हमारे वीडियो का टॉपिक है करंट ट्रांसफार्मर या पोटेंशियल ट्रांसफार्मर न्यूमेरिकल के ऊपर। तो पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए वीडियो को अंत तक देखते रहें। तो हमारे पास सबसे पहला जो क्वेश्चन है, ए 250 एसओ 5 करंट ट्रांसफार्मर इज़ यूज्ड अलॉन्ग विथ एन एमीटर। सो इफ़ द एमीटर रीडिंग इज़ 2.7 एम्पेयर, सो द calculate the line current. So first the given data is I1 upon I2 is equal to 250 upon 5. That is the given data. So we know that in the current transformer ammeter is connected in the secondary side. So the ammeter reading, that is ammeter reading is 2.7, means that is I2 is equal to 2.7. Why? Because ammeter is connected in secondary side. Now come to the topic, that is I1 upon I2 is equal to 250 upon 5, where I2 is equal to 2.7, means I1 upon 2.7 is equal to 250 upon 5. So we have to calculate the value of I1. So I1 is equal to 135 ampere. So that is the value of line current. That is the value of line current, that is I1 is equal to 135 ampere. So this is the answer. Comes to the next questions. So the next question is, calculate the VA, voltage ampere output, VA output required for a CT of 5 ampere rated in secondary current when burden consists of relay consisting 7.5 VA at 5 ampere and connecting lead resistance of 0.08 ohm. Suggest the choice of CT. So the diagram is that is like this: resistance 0.08 ohm and connected through a load that is 7.5 VA, and here the current is flowing, that is 5 ampere in the secondary side. So VA required to compensate connected lead resistance, that is equal to I square into R. So I is equal to 5 whole square into resistance is 0.08, so that is equal to 2.0 VA, and VA required by the relay, VA required by relay is equal to 7.5 VA. Hence the total VA output required for CT is equal to, that is 7.5 plus 2.0, so that is equal to 9.5 VA. Hence the CT of rating 10 VA and secondary current 5 ampere will be selected. So the final, that is CT of rating 10 VA and secondary current 5 ampere may be selected, because the 9.5 VA is that? So approx 10 VA is that. So we have the CT of rating of 10 VA, or secondary current is 5 ampere is selected for the choice of CT.